will see a lot of nods to the cactus abstraction in the space design.
It's also highly reflective of the state of things in the design world.
It was actually very nice, pleasant. We had a very good time with meeting the two designers.
I think it was very fruitful.
It's very inspiring.
This event is great to listen to other interior designers talking about their projects.
I would say the event is actually quite fruitful for designers to be here to actually get to know more knowledge about how the whole design industry works.
I think as a interior designer myself, got quite a fair bit of learning points.
The event was very well organized, and a group of very interested designers were very exciting, and they were very interactive and engaging.
I think it's really amazing that designers and the design industry can gather together with such a platform. I think it's a golden opportunity.
Thank you, HAFELE and SIXiDES
For hosting this event.
Thank you very much.
Hope I can attend more of such events.